Kanoi lam jong kaseng Congress ka kong amperin ling do kalapen pau ya ka jing so kya halor ka jing Kiew Dor jong ko Umphniang petrol ba diesel ka ba ko ong kan kta shibun e ki pa ba kham tam e ki bedu.
It is so disappointing that the government, after a pandemic, increases the cost of petrol and diesel to an all-time high in the entire century. We have never seen this kind of a pricing. Again, we need to know, why is this hike on oil products happening in the state? Why? What is going on with all of these taxes? Where is this tax being increased? What for? For what purpose? We can understand that during the pandemic, there was this information given to us by the ruling government that a COVID tax was also initiated on several products. But why now? An automatic impact of petrol and diesel price hike to 100 rupees per litre will definitely pinch the common man and his essential supplies. There is no two ways about it. In the last hike, there was this information circulated that the government of India had increased the price of petroleum and diesel by 34, 36, 38, 46 rupees in various times in the last 24 months. They had assigned it to the increase of price rise on the international price of fuel. But surprisingly, at that time, we were made to understand that the international prices for petroleum products were not an impact of an international price hike. Why have they increased the price of fuel now? I would like the government to reply.